Hi guys, welcome back in this new video. This is Sohab and you are watching SaaS Reviews with Sohab. So in this video, I'm gonna review one tool that will help you to automate your business. You can save your lots of time. You can retarget your audience, okay? And you can set your complete automation. So we are gonna review one email marketing software that will help you to automate your entire business and your entire automation workflow. Okay, so watch this video till the end so that you can get to know about that tool, how you can use that, how this tool is helpful for you, what is the pricing plan, how many competitors are there of that tool, and how this tool is much better than other tools. So I will complete all these things. So without getting any delay, let's jump into it. So guys, I'm gonna review that tool which name is Crim.email. Crim.email is an email marketing service which provides inbuilt email validation and automatic list cleaner. These features automatically remove spam traps, zombie emails, and bots from the mailing list and also filter out duplicate email address of subscribers. It's also intelligently recognizes and removes dormant email addresses through continuous background checks. This makes the mailing list more responsive and enhance the email deliverability. Businesses can conduct viral campaigns and contests through this service to engage more customers. The platform can be used with the existing website or embedded into the landing page, which can be built directly from the dashboard. Users can integrate Google Forms or Sheets into the mailing list and also sync Facebook advertising or Google Ads lead forms extension without using any add-ons. Another important feature of the platform is the magic opt-in process, which confirms the subscriber email addresses when they click a link for accessing the lead magnet. This makes it easy for the subscriber and can lead to more customers joining that list. Okay, so now I have cleared what is Crim.email. Now I will tell you all the features which are available in this tool. So you can manage your all contacts, you can drip campaigns, spam checks, list segmentation, contact list import. You can import your all contact list. You can make sign up forms, autoresponders, event triggered email, template management. Okay, all the templates you can manage, all the templates with drag and drop designs you can create attractively. Okay, document library, email scheduling, Google remarketing ads, click through tracking, mailing list management, A/B testing, real-time email editor, pre-designed email templates, Facebook ads. Okay, so many works you can do here. And if you talk about their support system, so they support business hours online. You can integrate APIs. If you talk about API support, if you talk about deployment, so SaaS, web and cloud. And what type of customers can use this tool? Large enterprises, medium businesses and small businesses can use this tool. And if you want to know about location of this tool, so this tool is from Jawa Barat, Indonesia. This tool is in a email marketing category because this is email marketing software, right? So now if you want to know the regular pricing plan for this tool, so you can buy this tool in two segments. One is popular contact and another is credit. So if you will go with contact plan, so you can manage unlimited contacts, unlimited email sending, but you will not get sub account client. Okay, not transaction email, SMTP. Okay, but you will get very soon. You can remove Crim.email branding. Okay, and this tool is start from $13.61 monthly. So you can pay for it and you can use it. But if you will go with credit, so you have to pay $35 monthly. Okay, and all the features you can access here. Okay, all the features they are giving you here, all the features you can see, right? But they don't have any free plan, they don't have any 10 days, 7 days, 14 days trial plan. You can simply just buy their pro package and you can use it. But I have an amazing deal for you in this video. If you want to grab this tool for a lifetime, so here is it, which is AppSumo Marketplace. AppSumo is a platform where you can buy all type of digital tools to automate your entire business. Okay, and if you want to buy this tool, so AppSumo is a trusted, reputed digital marketplace for entrepreneurs. So here you will get this tool only at just $69, and you can access this tool for a lifetime. Just one time price, $69 you have to pay and you can access it. But I know that from past many years you are using so many tools for your email automation, for your email marketing campaigns, but you are paying for those tools on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis, right? But here you can get this tool for a lifetime. If you will buy this tool, so all the details, all the information they have mentioned about this tool here, okay, you can read all the entire landing page also, okay, and they have mentioned plan and features also, and they have a 3 license plan. You can go with any of them. If you want to go license tier 1, so you have to pay $69 and all these features you can access. And if you will go with license tier 2, so you have to pay $139 and all these features you can access. And if you want to go with license tier 3, so you have to pay $229, and after that you will be able to access all these features. And also you can read all the reviews and questions here. So many things they have mentioned about this tool, okay, pros and cons. You can know better about this tool here. So if you want to buy this tool, if you really serious about this tool, so I have mentioned my affiliate link in my video description, so you can go through that link. Whenever you will click on that link, so you will be redirected on this landing page. So from here you can buy this tool. So whenever you will buy this tool, so I'll get some commission out of your purchase, but it will not cost you more than that. Just if you will pay $69 for this tool, so just you have to pay only $69 only. You no need to pay extra amount, but that sort of commission will help me to improve my channel, right? Okay, so let's move on to the next. If you want to access this tool, so many features you will get in this tool. You can compare this tool with your all tools which you are using continuously, and also some alternatives are available in the market. Maybe you are using some of these, which I'm gonna take names like MailChimp, GetResponse, Constant Contact, Campaign Monitor, right? Aweber, SendPlus, MailerLite, Sendinblue, Benchmark Email, Zoho Campaign. So many tools are available in the market. But if you are really serious about your email campaigns, about your automation, so definitely you should go with this tool, because they are giving you a lifetime deal. Not they are giving you, but AppSumo is giving you a lifetime deal. Simply just you have to enter in your dashboard, and after that you can import magic import, all the copy paste, import types, import sources, list, okay, and you can import your all the contacts if you wanna import your all the contacts, right? And you can integrate easily with Zapier, PayB Contact, Facebook, Google Ads, Telegram, so many things, okay. And if you want to create your workflows, so simply you can create, just give a name to your workflow and select all the options, and you can start building your automation, right? You can trigger, response and decisions, all the options you can choose, and easily you can build your automation with drag and drop steps, right? So I hope this video was very helpful for you. If yes, so give it a thumbs up, and if you want to know more about this tool, so you can go through that link which I have mentioned in my video description, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more SaaS videos, and hit the notification bell also, so whenever I will be reveal my new videos, so you will get a notification. So thanks for watching this. Again, I'll see you soon in another one, but till now, bye bye and take care of yourself.